Hello, beautiful humans. I hope you're all doing well today. As we approach the end of 2021 and begin embarking on 2022, many are questioning their way of living. People are still leaving their jobs in mass exodus. And whether we are changing jobs, downsizing, upsizing, or just wanting more out of life, it is time for you to put you and your mental health first. And one way is to incorporate slow living into your life. Let's look at the many ways we can make changes to live a more slow and simple life. One way to incorporate slow living into your life is to first look at your income, because we still have to function in a society that is based on monetary gain and purchase power. Can you change your job to allow you to find something either part-time or less stressful? If you can live with less and scale down on your spending, then it will be easier to move into a slow living lifestyle. I'm not saying that you can't incorporate some facets of slow living if you're on the corporate fast track. I'm talking to those that feel they're stuck in their jobs and life in general. Look at what truly matters to you. Maybe a slower pace in all areas of your life is what you're looking for. When COVID hit, it toppled my last business that I had at that time. I had to ask myself if I wanted to get back to the stress of finding a new building to rent and hiring more people and start from scratch again. No. I decided that I wanted a slower life. I don't want the stress of being responsible for other people's livelihood. So I started creating videos and providing graphic design services for new startups and small to medium-sized businesses at prices that they can afford, because I am living simple and slow. I don't have to charge what some of the other companies charge and still give them a good product and still make a decent living for myself. And by only being responsible to my clients, it's less stressful for me. Designing a website, a logo, or branding for someone and seeing them grow is a wonderful feeling. And working remotely is extremely appealing to me. Having said all of that, I just want to say, do what you love, or what it takes to get you to that place of being content and happy in life. I myself am working to downsize in 2022, getting rid of things that no longer serve a purpose for me. This way, I can focus on keeping a more consistent schedule for content creating for you all, because I really love doing this. I'm looking to downsizing my house. I really love those tiny and small houses, and it would be so much easier to keep clean. And just having less stuff around sounds wonderful. Many people I know are looking at van life. And van life was going strong before COVID hit, and it seems to be coming back in 2022. If you choose this lifestyle, do it because you want to, not because it's popular. And if you want to try van life or any other type of changes in your life, be sure to have all your bases covered. Are you working remotely? Do you require strong internet for your work? What will your total expenses be? Be sure to dive deep and research what is best for you before embarking on a new life. This will save you a lot of stress. It's that time again to remind you to subscribe and hit the like button so more people can find this type of content. Thank you, I really appreciate it. I'm looking forward to a new year and new accomplishments in my life. I hope that you too are looking forward to start new in 2022. Slow living can be embraced in many ways. Whether we first learn the art of saying no to things, maybe decluttering your living spaces or getting rid of mental clutter, setting routines and being mindful of tasks at hand, or just learning how to relax, getting out in nature or learning a new skill. Embarking on a new way of life can be exhilarating or scary. Just remember to do it because you want to, not because someone else tells you to or because it's a trend. Slow and simple living is taking care of you. Once you take care of you, then you can give to others without feeling exhausted or burned out. I really would like you to share with me what you're looking forward to in 2022 and what kind of changes you plan for your life, if any. I really would like to hear from you. Be safe the last days of 2021 and on New Year's Eve. And until next year, be kind to yourself.